most important presentation was yesterday, and that was a plenary presentation of frontline data of Hodgkin lymphoma, of a study that was a 5.5-year study to try to redefine frontline therapy for patients with advanced Hodgkin lymphoma. So Hodgkin lymphoma affects a little more than 8,000 patients in the United States every year, and they are treated with a 4-drug regimen known as ABVD since 1977. So for 40 years, the same regimen. And it is an effective regimen, but it's also a very toxic regimen. So what we did is we pulled out one of the units, the B, bleomycin, which causes a lot of lung toxicity, or pulmonary toxicity as it's referred to, and we replaced it with ADCETRIS, our drug. Now, ADCETRIS was approved 6 years ago for relapsed Hodgkin lymphoma, and that is how it's been used largely, as well as relapsed T-cell lymphoma, which is another rare disease. But what we did is we substituted in ADCETRIS instead of bleomycin, and what we were able to show in a large, long study is that we get a higher long-term disease-free survival rate, which in Hodgkin lymphoma often leads to cures, and at the same time as getting rid of the bleomycin-related pulmonary toxicity that doctors have been trying to get rid of for decades. So we were very pleased with our results. We have breakthrough therapy designation from FDA based on our data, and yesterday our data was published in the New England Journal of Medicine. It was very challenging. The enrollment took years, and we had to do it across geographies, US, Europe, Asia, and we needed 1,334 patients total in both arms of the randomized trial, and it took over 230 sites around the world to get enough patients, and took years to accrue the patients. So yes, in a disease that is relatively rare, it is a challenging undertaking to do such a frontline experiment.